So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after he took sannyas, he decided to go to Vrindavan. So he wanted to go to Vrindavan, and therefore what he did, he left Navadvip and he started walking towards Vrindavan. So on the way, in Bengal itself, there was a small village called Ramakeli. So when he came to Ramakeli, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu put tent there. He camped there for a little time. And there were huge number of followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who were accompanying him. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very popular, he had thousands of devotees. So they all said, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I want to go to Vrindavan, they all said, we will also come with you. And they all accompanied, and they all, when they reached Ramakeli, they all stayed there along with Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu's intention of going to Ramakeli was actually to meet up with Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. At that time, they were two big ministers in the court of Nawab Hussain Shah Badshah. So this Hussain Shah Badshah's two very prominent ministers were Dabir Khas and Sakar Malik. These Dabir Khas and Sakar Malik were actually born in Brahmin families in Karnataka. But they ended up in the service of this Nawab in Bengal. So when they had heard of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu earlier itself, and they had longed to meet up with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they had been sending letters to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, requesting that he give them shelter at his lotus feet. So when they heard, this Ramakeli village was very close to where they used to stay, Dabir Khas and Sakar Malik. So the moment they heard that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come and is camping in Ramakeli, they immediately decided that we'll go and meet him. So they went and met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when they went and met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, immediately they offered their obeisances and they began submitting their prayers, requests to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Sanatan Goswami was the elder brother, Rupa Goswami is the younger brother. So Sakar Malik started speaking. He started supplicating Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that, you see, you have become famous as the deliverer of Jagai and Madhai. But if you compare Jagai and Madhai with us, Jagai and Madhai are completely liberated people if you compare it to us. Why? Because they were born in Brahmin families, and even though they engaged in some sinful activities, they were involved in intoxication, gambling and all those kind of things, still they remained independent. They never took service under somebody else. And they were used to chanting your holy name, although in an antagonistic way. Still, they chanted your holy name, and by that Nama Bhasa itself, they had become qualified to become liberated by you. Now, if you compare our position with them, we are there is no hope for us. Why? Because we have given up our Brahminical, our Hindu tradition, our family, this one position, and we have taken service under a Mlecha Yavana. So, by taking service under a Mlecha Yavana, we also have become Muslims. And this Mlecha Yavana, he is a cow hater, and he is against the Sanatana Dharma. So, we have been forced, because we have taken servitude under him, we have been forced to carry out activities against the Sanatana culture. So we also have practically become that kind of people who are opposing the Sanatana culture, opposing and carrying out atrocities against cows and these kind of things. So we have also participated in all these things. So practically we are far more fallen than Jagai and Madhai. And so then Sakar Malik, he said, Mattulyo nasti papatma naparadhi cha kaschana. Mattulyo nasti papatma naparadhi cha kaschana parihare me lajja. Parihare me lajja. So he said, Sakar Malik said that Mattulyo papatma nasti. There is no greater sinful person than me. There is no other sinful person in this world who is as sinful as I am. Jai Shri Krishna Balarama ki. And he said, Naparadi Chakaschana, there is nobody who has been more offensive than me towards Vaishnavas, towards the Sanatana culture, towards all the dharmic principles. There is no greater offender than both of us. And Pariharecha me lajja. And if we speak of what all sinful activities that we have done, then we become ashamed to even mention what all we have done. Forget about Kim Bruve Purushottama. Forget about talking about any sort of parihara or prayashchitta to overcome all of them. We are even ashamed to list down what all we have done. Forget about thinking of parihara for that. So, therefore, Sanatana Goswami, he said, therefore, your incarnation, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, your incarnation in this world is to deliver the most fallen people. So, in this universe, there is nobody more fallen than both of us. And if you feel that we are not qualified to be delivered by you, then we assure you that you will not find anyone who is qualified to be delivered. Because you are Patita Pavana, and we are the most Patita people, and if you don't deliver us, then where will you find people whom you can deliver? You are supposed to deliver the most fallen, and there is nobody most fallen than us. So like this, they submitted their prayers. So immediately Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, he immediately, there itself, he initiated them by telling them, from now on, your name is Rupa Goswami, your name is Sanatan Goswami. So from there itself, he gave them a different name and he initiated them. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami, please don't be so humble. Your humility is so intense, it is breaking my heart. So please don't be so humble. Please give up this humility. I know that you both are born in Brahmin families and you both are great scholars in Sanskrit. I know all these things. But you are presenting yourself in such a way that it is breaking my heart. So please don't be so humble. So you can see how for the Supreme Lord, the humility of his devotees is what really touches him. Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami did not go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, hey, we have big ministers, we have come here, we are big scholars. No, they gave up all that position and they came in the most humble attitude to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and surrendered to him.